Hello, this is old MrKent, and my son, who has the Gunni built garage, is making a gate between his house and the corral to make it easier for his wife, who usually feeds the animals, to get through without having to clear around to the other side. So that's the purpose of the gate, and so he's putting it together. So we're going to listen in.
Wow. Must be a fence builder or something.
I guess. I was standing there with my phone taking this video.
I guess.
So we talked back and forth.
What happens when you borrow stuff?
Yeah. See, he borrowed those generators from his neighbor, and then when he pulled the cord on the second one, the cord broke. So he repaired it. And you can't clamp onto that big pipe, so he's going to fasten something to it to clamp onto. Nope, it's not going to work. He's going to have to grind off some rust and some paint so they fit together and get a good electrical connection. Now let's see how it works. That post has to be perfectly vertical, or the gate will swing one way or the other because of the pull of gravity.
Oh, you gotta come take a picture of that.
Looks pretty good. How about that?
How about that?
So after he got that done, I helped him a little bit, and then came over and brought my drone up to get the finishing touches. Now the actual fencing on that gate is much more tough and rugged than the fencing that's just running along the fence. So he wanted to put that better fencing on there, and so that's what he's doing. And it's galvanized steel, and so you can't weld galvanized steel to other steel very well. So what he has to do is find bare spots or grind off the galvanized. You notice the ones along the top were welded to the end of the vertical pieces, but now he's grinding off the galvanization so that he can weld it to the frame. And he had 2 automobile customers come in later that day. So he's still doing a good business with the folks, customers. So now I told him, try it out, show everybody that it works, which is what he's about to do. And so look at there, it swings and it stays in place, doesn't go closed or the other way, and so it's all done. There you go. Thanks for watching the video.